What is going on, everyone? Thanks for clicking into the video. Today I am here to show you guys the not just a Dive Mini, the new colors that we have in stock. I already did a video on the Dive Mini. It's just a few videos ago, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and click on the our little account icon and you can check that out. So today we're just, like I said, going over the colors. This is black. This is one I already covered in the video. So there's the black, and it's just a pretty basic black. It's not glossy like the new 2020 Evolve Plus black. It's more of just a regular matte black. So moving on, actually let's just get these out of the way. Moving on to the silver. And I just do these videos so you guys can just kind of get an idea of the color, because sometimes silver or black is not just black. Sometimes it's sparkly, sometimes it's matte, sometimes it's just got a little gloss to it. And then this is going to be the blue. See, like this blue, it's a little glossy, sparkly. Boom, boom. The blue is actually really nice. I'll do it like that. It's like a, I guess you could call that like a cobalt blue. And another thing I'd like to say is, while we were, since we got these in and we've been shipping them out, we've noticed that these glass pieces every once in a while do tend to break in shipment. So what we started to do at Lighter USA, and if you've already purchased one, you probably know this, we have started to actually take out the glass piece and then just bubble wrap it separately, and it will still be in the same package. It will just be separately bubble wrapped, just to ensure that it will not break and gets to you just fine and you can use it upon arrival. And so here is the purple. Make sure you can, let's see if I can actually do anything to the lighting here. So maybe, yeah. Pretty nice purple. Not too shabby. And what we did notice was it's not actually the glass piece coming out of its little compartment, because obviously it's pretty in there. It's what we've seen mostly is that the battery gets out of its socket. Their battery / device gets out of its socket, bounces around the box, and breaks the glass. So that's why we started bubble wrapping it. And last but not least, we have the rainbow. Typically everybody's favorite. It's a super nice rainbow, actually. Let me see if this one, since this one's so glossy, it might be a little better without any lighting, or at least minimal. But let's just try it with none. Yeah, it's not too bad. Super clean. Really like the rainbow. And yeah, those are going to be the Dive Mini colors. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hope that was a little helpful in making your decision. And yeah, thanks for checking us out.